Soil Merchants Property Developers Limited is a company known for her credibility in providing secure and affordable real estate investments in Kenya. They have been in this industry for over 19 years, developing and selling bungalows and high-rise apartments in Nairobi, giving you an opportunity to own a piece of Nairobi. Soil Merchants Property Developers now introduce to you a brand new project, Grad Midtown Annex Apartments, giving you an opportunity to own a 1-bedroom and 2-bedrooms apartment by paying as low as $850 each and every month, and start a process of owning a property within a considerate 4 years payment plan. These apartments are only 3 minutes drive from Nairobi CBD, Ngara Murang'a Road. That's not enough. Soil Merchants will provide your property management. When you buy a property, they manage for you. Get a tenant, and when tenant leave, they replace for you. Imagine such an offer.
We are also a property management company. What does that mean? That means that when you buy a property from us, you have the opportunity for us to manage this property for you. That means we can be able to get you a tenant and manage this tenant for you. When this tenant leaves, we will automatically replace a tenant for you.
Please waste no time. Such chances come once. Remember the Grad Midtown Apartments they told you about? It's now 95% sold out, only 5% remaining. They got for you 1-bedroom and 2-bedrooms apartment and giving you a 24 months payment plan. Hurry and pick yourself one before it's totally sold out. This company is run by a family and support from very dedicated team. They have no record of scandals for the last 19 years in business, and therefore a trustworthy company.
We have no scandals. We have no, we've not had any scandals really for the last 19 years. And so we are a trustworthy and credible company. But more than that, we're a family-owned business. I am the third-born daughter of Mr. George Gacheru and Reverend Lucy. My brother, Rufus Mungai Gacheru, is the managing director, and we sit as part of the management. And we also have a dynamic team of investment consultants back in Nairobi City.
For more information or inquiry, visit their office in Westlands, Krishna Center, 5th floor, or contact them through the numbers on your screen.
We also have our social media pages, that is Soil Merchants KE on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. You can also find our website, that is www.soilmerchants.co.ke. Please reach out to us, interact with us. Do not be left behind to be able to own this grand Midtown Annex apartment in the heart of the CBD. Thank you.
This is proudly sponsored by Pacific Waves Television.